Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will see how to bypass FRP. If our phone is locked by Google account, he is asking that we should continue with our previous email ID and we have forgotten the ID there, then we can bypass the FRP lock, factory reset protection. So we will follow these steps to unlock the phone. We first download 3 files. One of them is Apex Launcher and second is the bypass software. Now we will download the files from this website www.addrom.com/bypass. Enter the website. We will download Apex Launcher. Click on the Apex Launcher. The file is being downloaded. The second file we will need is the FRP add-ROM. Click on the FRP add-ROM. The second file is also being downloaded. Once the files, I have already downloaded these 2 files. We can see in the downloads. Once these 2 files have been downloaded, just copy these files into your SD card. Next we will continue from these steps. Click on let's go. Skip the insert SIM, setup new device, connect to an internet connection. Here we have connected to the internet. Here we can see he is asking us that we should enter the email ID we have last resetted. If we enter a new email ID, like I am entering my email ID, setting my password, he will say that please sign into the one's owner's account ID. So we will bypass it because we have forgotten or the mobile is stolen, failed to install the download voice. We will go back, click on VN settings and open the talkback.
Talkback on. Talkback is a
Once the talkback is on, we must restart
it
our
allows
phone.
interaction. Talkback tutorial.
Double click.
Power off. Restart in list.
Once phone is restarted, use your 2 fingers, double click on settings,
Open settings button. Talkback. Notification shade. Open settings button. Settings.
turn off the
Showing items
talkback by
1, 9,
using
28.
these 2 volume and up and down button by 2
Alert
fingers
suspend talkback.
and just click on OK, double click.
Okay. Talkback suspended.
Talkback is off, scroll down, go to apps. Here we will disable some system apps like Google Account Manager. Google Account Manager, disable it. Go back and also disable Google Play Services. If option is not available like this, there is no option to disable the Google Play Services, we will go back, go to security and device administrator option, disable the find my device, deactivate. Go back and now we can disable our Google Play service. Now we have options, disable Google Play service. Go back. The files we have copied to our SD card, we'll use them. One is the Apex launcher and other is the bypass application. For this, go to storage, open your SD card, install Apex launcher. Once Apex launcher is installed, open it. Once we have successfully installed Apex launcher, we will go to our SD card to open the application we have downloaded. My file manager, SD card, we have downloaded FRP add ROM. Just install it. Will not open this application, just click on done. Now we can see we have Google Play Services settings. It means that application has successfully bypassed our mobile. Go to settings. Now we will create new account. Click on accounts, add account, click on Google. Sign into a new ID. Once we have created the account, we will again enable the Google Play Services and Google accounts. Go to settings, click on apps, Google Play Services, enable, restart the phone. Our phone is successfully restarted. Follow
Button.
these steps
Double tap to
to
activate.
add a new email ID.
Setup.
Before this, just disable using these two volume buttons. Click on the both volume
Alert
buttons.
suspend talkback. Are you sure that you want to suspend?
Double click OK.
Okay. Talkback suspended.
Skip the insert card. Setup. we can see our account is successfully added. Click on next, getting account info. Our phone is successfully bypassed. We can use these pattern lock, pin code, password, or just click not now, skip anyway. Backup, just do this, agree. We can see our phone is successfully bypassed. We can open our Play Store here. See, our phone is successfully bypassed. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.